Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the drive and getting a proper tool. This ensures accurate metrics. Install a SmartAware utility now and run a quick health check. Once done, make sure to record percentage used, power on hours, reallocated sectors, and any raw wear attributes. These are the primary indicators. You should also note TBW or right endurance if the vendor lists it. This first read gives your baseline, so you can compare later and decide if further diagnostics are needed. Now interpret what those numbers mean. Percentage used or available spare shows remaining program/erase cycles. Reallocated sectors and uncorrectable errors indicate imminent failure. Calculate writes. Divide host writes by rated TBW to estimate life consumed. Once done, make sure trim is enabled and that firmware is current because both affect reported life and longevity. Run a vendor extended diagnostic for deeper scanning. If numbers trend upward quickly, plan backups. Finally, act on the data. Backup immediately and schedule replacement if percentage used exceeds about 80–90% or if uncorrectable errors appear. Once done, make sure to keep periodic smart snapshots and compare trends rather than single readings. Update firmware and use vendor utilities for maintenance. If the diagnostic tool cannot read the SSD, check SATA/NVMe drivers, cables, and BIOS settings. Try another port or a Linux Live USB to bypass OS driver issues. This usually resolves access problems and lets you complete the assessment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.